Take 300, making Agurkesalat. So you use a English cucumber if you can get them, because they have less seeds and thin skin, and you slice up a couple and then put them on a plate with paper towels so it absorbs the liquid. And I like to put another paper towel on top. Cast iron skillet soaks up some of that juice. And then while you're waiting for that, you add a cup of water, a cup of white distilled vinegar, and a cup of sugar. And you mix that up really well till the sugar is dissolved. And then add in your finely sliced cucumbers and stir that together. There we are.